Evet. Tamam. A bit up, please.
No.
Okay. Now after surgery, as I told you in the consultation too, you're gonna face some kind of like itchy, you're gonna face some kind of like dandruff, right? And because we having like 1,000 of holes inside your scalp, so we need to relax your skin first and to heal more faster. Because of that, we're gonna use this one, what is the lotion, to make your skin more relaxing and more chill. And plus, because the multivitamin we have it inside those kind of like things, gonna be like make this procedure a bit more faster, let's say, okay? So now we're gonna show you how you're gonna do it. Firstly, inside those kind of like things, we have some kind of like gas, right? So we have like to start like this to remove the gas, and then we're gonna like make the lotion in the application area. When you're gonna make it like so near to your skin, not from far away. Exactly. As much gonna be like near, as much gonna be like relaxing and let your skin swell. Okay? Plus now when we're gonna do this procedure daily, okay, gonna let those like period, but it's 15 days, to let those grafts fall out so easily and recover more faster. We're gonna do it daily every day without using anything else, just like the lotion, okay? One of the main material we have inside is allotoin. Now, because this area like having like big risk to having infection, right? So this kind of like lotion make this risk as less as we can, okay? And plus, I mean, to not have any kind of like infection in the future, because you are here for 3 days, right? So you need something to not be in the safe zone, let's say more, okay? So for example, the material we have inside, they're gonna be like relax it and not allow to have too much dandruff, too much itchy, and make this a procedure for 15 days. You can make it like, for example, for 6 days if you're gonna use it in the right and the correct way. Okay?
Donör bölgeye de kullanabilir.
Plus, I mean, the benefit of you can use it for the donor area.
Okay.
Because also the donor area, it's important to really more faster, because also we do a lot of extraction from the blood, right? Yeah. We're gonna do the lotion. We have to make it as near as much we can. Okay?
Okay.
Tekrar.
Şu şekilde.
Now for the sets, as I told you, you're having inside, you're having 3 shampoos and you're having 3 sprays and plus the multivitamin. For the shampoo, you can use it like normal shampoo every 2 days, every 3 days. It's up to you when you need it, okay? For the multivitamin, you can use it daily, every day, okay? Because as I told you, sometimes you can afford the multivitamin from us, so we have to take it from outside, okay? And plus, because we have it inside the procapil, so procapil, when you go inside your scalp, make your blood circulation more active, and that's what we needed actually for a graft, okay? Because as much the blood circulation will be more active under your skin, and that meaning the graft gonna be growing and having more than 1 hair for each graft. Because our purpose in the density is not just to have 1 hair for each graft, okay? So this is gonna be helping to heal more faster and get to the shape more faster.
Perfect.
And then plus, I mean, you care and you wash your hair in the same time. Nice? The multivitamin, you're gonna take it daily one. Okay? How you gonna use it? That's it. For the spray, you're gonna use it twice a day, okay? 1 morning, 1 evening. 5 sprays in the implantation area and leave it. You don't have to use it after the spray or take shower, okay? If you're gonna like want it to wash, just like wash it after 2 hours. Nice? I'm gonna make you like small example. For example, when you're gonna go into the gym, I mean, if you need like big muscles or to make that routine more faster, you're gonna take some kind of like pre-workout, some kind of like shaker and whatever, right? To make this a procedure a bit more like, let's say, not that much longer. This product gonna make this product, as I told, this procedure more faster. If you're gonna reach to the result in 6 months, you're gonna reach in 4 months. Because as I told you, now you know how you care about your hair, about your skin. Okay, this is what's important. After this period, after like 5 or 6 months, okay, you're gonna care, but as I told you, less, because now you have the knowledge how you're gonna care about your skin.
Right.
Nice.
Perfect.
And plus, also, I mean, all the benefit we have it, we talk about the hair we implanted, right? Now also you're gonna care about your own hair. Because I mean, sometimes when you lose more than 1 hair for each graft, when you look at it from outside, you're gonna see it empty. What it's actually not. But I mean, because you have 1 hair for each graft, from outside you're gonna see some kind of like gaps and the empty area. This product also gonna like, let's say, pumping those grafts to work again.
Okay.
Nice.
Perfect.
Hi, Elena from BlueMagic Group. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and book your free consultation right here today.